you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to day 4 of Confessions of a Paper Addict's 20 Days of Cut Files. Today we are playing with the prompt, The Tree. So I have these adorable photos of my son from 2015 in front of the Christmas tree, dressed in his Christmas jammies. That we do Christmas jammies every year for all of us, and his looks like a little elf, and we put a little Santa hat on him, and it's just freaking adorable. So I've got those 3. I'm gonna cut these off. We'll use those a different day, but we've got those 3 photos. And what I did is I took the messy tree cut file, which is from December of 2020. I've got another cut file laying on here that I'll use at a later time. So I've got that cut out 3 times. I'm using this Letters to Santa collection by, is it Cartabella? Yes, Cartabella. So I cut out a tree out of this pattern paper, which is the Christmas Tree Farm. So it's this pretty red, sparkly on the one side and the trees on the other. And then this other Letters to Santa, Smell of Christmas, I won't be using. You'll see that actually later on another layout. So those are 2 of the pattern papers you get in the Scrap Room kit for this month. Whenever you get Flavors of the Month kits, you get 2 pieces of cardstock, 3 pieces of pattern paper, and some embellishments. So the other piece of pattern paper we get is candy canes, and then this is that. And then this is Maraschino is the color of the cardstock. So pretty. Perfect red name. And then you get some embellishments, and these are all going to vary. You're going to get a 1/4 pack of the ephemera, and so these are what I got, and like I said, this is all going to vary. So you get a 1/4 pack of the ephemera pack. You're going to get some puffy stickers, and I got all little stamps, which is super cute, and that's going to vary, and then some enamel dots. If you remember correctly, like Cartabella, Echo Park, they always have like this pack that has a bunch of them, so you're just getting one of the colors basically. So that is what you're going to get for your embellishments, which is perfect. I've got these beautiful trees cut. We're going to use the insides and the outlines, well, the main inside, the one like inside part, and I think I'm just going to get some white cardstock. Or do we use the red cardstock? I'm not really sure. Let me get my photos trimmed out and make some decisions, and then we'll get started. All right, you guys, I finally kind of figured out what I wanted to do. So I have I'm running low on white cardstock, and our Hobby Lobby has zero. I mean, you can buy the individual sheets, but like I like to just get a pack of 100 and be done with it. So, so you know what I'm buying for Black Friday? I have this cheapy paper. I think it's that filler paper that comes in page protectors. So I trimmed that down 3/4 of an inch on 2 sides. So it's, yeah. And then I matted it on the red cardstock because it's super, super thin. So I want it on the red cardstock. I'm going to put these down and then trim them off. And then I'm going to trim a tiny bit more off the red, and we're going to have one more white border. But I love the way my photos have lined up. I love this one ephemera piece. It's like my title. But now I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do to the background. So I'm going to do some thinking. I know you're probably yelling at me because you have ideas and you're like, I wish I could tell her. I really wish you could too, because I've been doing a lot of layouts today because it's a day off, and I haven't done this many layouts in one day. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been a big slacker lately. But I haven't done this many layouts in one day in a really long time. And so my brain's just like, I can't make a decision. I have no idea what I want to do. But I really like the way this looks, and I kind of like the way it looks crisp. So I'm like, do I do nothing? Like, I don't know. So I'm going to ponder about it. I think I'm going to go get a cup of hot chocolate or tea or something. Maybe some warm liquids will help my brain. And, yeah, we'll go from there. All right. Gold splatters it is. We're going to do some gold. And then I might do some antique linen. Just to get more of that kind of like creamy peach color. And then maybe I'm debating if I should do red, green, and gold. And I was asking my scrappy friends, and they were like, start with gold and we'll see. And so I think I might let's do some gold. And then let's do, what would happen if I then did some rose gold? What other colors do I got? Yeah, like antique lace. Let's do some of that. Should I add silver too? I don't think so, but let's see. What else? What else we got? Yeah, let's try that scenario. And then this is all I have left of Tuscan Sun. It's like, oh, excuse me, the tiniest bit on the bottom of this bottle. So I'm going to shake it up and use it. And that'll be my first shimmers I've ever completely used up, you guys. I know. And this is just going to be like a very light golden sun color. Like, it's not very dark at all. All right, let's do a little bit of this. Now, I don't want a lot because this is pretty pink. I just want a little tiny bit. Because it is kind of a deeper color, too. Reminds me of kind of like the burgundies that are in there. Just a little. I want some of this cork color. When these all dry, they're not going to look the same. Right now, ooh, some of them look the same. Promise they won't when they dry. And didn't I say I didn't want to have a lot of this color? Yeah, here we go. This might be too much. Might be. But I'm going for it. And then we're going to do antique lace and Christmas cheer. And then I'll have even more gold. All right, that looks mighty fine if I do say so myself. And then merry everything and happy always. This is going to go right in the middle. Oh, I love it. That turned out really good. So thank you guys so much for watching. The prompt, like I said, today is the tree. So I did this messy tree cut file. Make sure you check out everybody else who is hopping along, and make sure you go check out the Facebook group for the freebie, the sale that goes until the 20th, so till the hop is over basically, so the 19th in the US. The freebies are also available, I believe, until then. If not, they're available a little longer, but just go snag them. They're free. It's not very hard. They're on the Facebook page. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.